You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly the name of this town in the Dominican Republic, on the island of the La República Dominicana, if you want to learn how to say that in English or in Spanish. I should say, stay tuned. The Spanish pronunciation, local pronunciation, how you should say it, is not Punta Cana, not at all. That's sometimes said like this in English. It's not correct. It's not Punta Cana either, but rather Punta Cana. Punta Cana, that's your Spanish pronunciation here. Therefore, in English, Punta Cana, not Cana, not Cana, Punta Cana. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.